Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, i-revisit po natin si Montero GLX manual transmission. Ang engine po ni Montero Sport ay 2.4 liter 4-inline double overhead camshaft MyVec 16 valve. Montero Sport has a MyVec technology, more power and torque, less emission and more fuel efficiency. Fuel tank is 68 liters diesel. So guys, dito naman tayo sa ating harapan. Ayan po yung kanyang front grille new design for more sportier look. Yan. 18-inch alloy wheels mags. At sa interior naman guys, ayan. Para po sa seat material is black fabric po siya. May manual adjustment po yung kanyang puan. So, pagdating naman dito sa ating steering wheel, ayan, naka 3-spoke leather wrap siya. So, multimedia controls and cruise control. Yan po yung kanyang cluster meter at yung control po sa window. At ito naman guys yung ating infotainment at ang kanyang 6-speed manual transmission. At ito naman guys yung aircon niya na may single zone auto climate control. Ayan po yung kanyang shift stick. 6-speed. Ayan po yung handbrake. And then, ito po yung kanyang center console. Ayan. So, dito naman guys, sa second row. Ayan. So, ayan, nakikita niyo po guys, more spacious. Maluwag yung kanyang legroom. Meron din po siyang center armrest. Ayan, with cup holder. At meron din siyang control sa aircon. Ayan, may on and off po. So, pagdating naman po sa third row, para po makapunta doon, ang gagawin lang natin guys is fold and tumble. Ayan. Ayan, diba guys? Napakaluwag ng ating Montero Sport GLX manual. Ang pinakamurang SUV sa buong Pilipinas. So, ayan. Pag ibabalik po siya, same thing. Dito naman sa likod, guys, ayan. As you can see, siya po ay naka LED rear combination light. At may reverse camera na rin po siya. So, ayun lang guys for today's video. For more details, pwede mo akong tawagan sa aking number na lalabas sa inyong screen. At guys, huwag niyo pong kalimutan na i-follow at i-subscribe ang aking YouTube channel. By the way, I'm Christine Escarda, your sales consultant from Mitsubishi Epic Motors, Jose Abad Santos, Tondo, Manila.